Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. Hi, everyone.
Today's episode is called Let's Talk About Work and Jobs in English. We're going to help you talk about your job, your daily work life, and even your dream job, all in easy English.
Yeah, so if you want to sound natural when you talk about work, this episode is for you.
Exactly. We'll give you simple words and real examples. No stress. By the end, you'll be able to say things like, I work as a teacher, or my job is busy but fun.
And don't worry if your English is still beginner level. We'll speak slowly and repeat key phrases.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to our channel. That helps us make more free lessons for you.
Yeah, hit the subscribe button now. We'll wait 1 second for you. Okay, ready? Let's go.
So Jake, let's start easy. Can you tell me about your job?
Sure, I work as a barista. I make coffee in a small cafe near my house.
Nice. So you can say, I work as a barista, or I work in a cafe. Both are correct and very natural.
Yeah, I usually say I work in a cafe when people ask me.
Perfect. And how do you like your job?
I like it. I meet many people. Some customers are funny, some are serious. And I really like the smell of coffee in the morning.
That sounds great. So, everyone listening, you can practice saying, I work as a teacher. I work in a hospital. I work in an office.
Right, easy and useful.
Jake, what time do you start work?
Usually at 7 a.m. it's early. I open the cafe.
Well, that's early. I start work at 9 a.m. I teach English online from home.
That's nice. So you can say, I start work at 9. That's a good phrase to practice too.
Yes, repeat with us, everyone. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5.
Good job.
So Jake, what do you do after work?
After work, I usually go home, take a shower, and watch YouTube. Sometimes I study English.
Perfect. Great daily routine. Everyone listening, you can comment below and tell us. What do you do after work? We'd love to read your answers in the comments.
That's right. And if you're not working right now, you can say, I'm a student. I'm looking for a job.
Yes, or I'm between jobs. That means you don't have a job right now, but maybe soon.
Nice phrase.
Thank you. And don't forget we love reading your comments. Tell us, what is your job? Or what job do you want in the future?
Okay.
Jake, what is your workplace like? Is it big or small?
It's small, but cozy. There are 3 workers, me, my boss, and my coworker.
Ah, coworker, good word. A coworker means a person you work with.
Right. My coworker's name is Lisa. She's funny and always sings when she works.
That sounds fun. At my workplace, my home, I work alone. Sometimes that's nice, sometimes a little boring.
Yeah, I understand. When it's quiet, time goes slow.
Exactly.
Anna, what do you usually do in your workday?
Well, I start at 9, like I said. I teach English online. I have 3 classes in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. After class, I write notes or plan the next lesson.
Sounds busy.
It is, but I enjoy it. I like helping students speak English better, like we're doing now.
Yeah.
So everyone try to describe your workday like that. Example, I start work at 7. I make coffee. I talk to customers. I finish work at 3. Simple, right?
Very simple and fun.
If you're listening now and enjoying this, please subscribe and share this podcast with a friend who is learning English. That really helps our channel grow. All right, Jake, now let's talk about how we feel about work. This is really important in English because we often say how we feel about our job.
Yeah, like I like my job or my job is stressful.
Exactly, easy sentences. But very useful dots. So Jake, tell us, do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like my job because I meet new people every day. I also like coffee, so that helps.
Haha, that's true. So you said, I like my job because I meet new people. That's a great sentence. Everyone listening, try to repeat that. I like my job because I meet new people.
Good. You can also say, I love my job if you really enjoy it.
Yes, and if it's not your favorite, you can say it's okay or it's not bad. That's a polite way to say you don't love it, but it's fine.
Right. For example, my job is okay, but sometimes it's boring.
Perfect example, my job is okay. Sometimes it's boring.
Thanks, Anna. So, Anna, do you ever feel tired after work?
Oh yes, sometimes I feel very tired after a long day of teaching. Talking all day can be hard, but I also feel happy because I help people learn English.
That's nice. You can say, I feel tired but happy.
Yes, for example, we can say, I feel tired but happy. I feel busy but excited.
Okay, Anna, what's something you don't like about your job?
Sometimes my internet is slow. That's not fun when I'm teaching online.
Haha, yeah, that's the worst. For me, I don't like cleaning the coffee machine. It takes so long.
So you can say, I don't like cleaning the coffee machine, or I don't like slow internet.
Easy.
Yes, very easy. If you're still listening, great job. You're doing amazing. We've talked about jobs, daily routines, and feelings. That's a lot of English already.
Yeah, and remember, practice makes progress.
Exactly. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode.
And tell us in the comments, do you like your job or not? Why? We really want to know.
Yes, and now let's talk about something fun, your dream job. So Jake, if you could have any job in the world, your dream job, what would it be?
Maybe a travel photographer. I want to travel, take pictures, and drink coffee everywhere.
That sounds amazing. So you can say, my dream job is travel photographer. Or, I want to be a travel photographer.
Yeah, listeners, you can practice with us.
For example, my dream job is teacher. I want to be a nurse. I want to be a singer.
Or, I want to be an English speaker.
Haha, yes, that's a great dream too.
So, Anna, what's your dream job?
I think my dream job is what I'm doing now. Teaching English and talking with people from around the world.
That's beautiful. You can really feel your passion.
Thank you.
So, let's help our listeners say their dream job. We'll give you some ideas.
Okay, repeat after us slowly. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a pilot. I want to be a chef. I want to be a YouTuber.
Haha. Yes, maybe your dream job is being a YouTuber, like us.
Exactly. And if that's your dream job, the first step is to subscribe and learn English with us.
Good point. English helps with any job. Interviews, emails, talking to people.
That's true. Speaking of interviews, let's talk about job interviews next.
Ooh, that can be scary for many people.
Yes, but we'll make it easy today in English. In a job interview, people usually ask, what do you do? What are your skills? Why do you want this job?
Let's try one. Anna, ask me a question.
Okay, why do you want this job?
I want this job because I like talking to people and I love coffee.
Perfect answer, short and clear. So you can always say, I want this job because I like it and add the reason.
Easy. And you can also say, I'm good at something.
Yes, for example, I'm good at helping people, or I'm good at cooking.
Nice. Everyone, repeat that. I'm good at helping people. I'm good at cooking.
And now your turn, write in the comments.
Hey, Anna, this is really fun. I feel like we're helping people actually speak English, not just study it.
Yes, that's our goal, to make English feel easy and real.
If you're listening right now, take a deep breath and say this with us. I can talk about my job in English.
Great. Say it one more time, louder this time. I can talk about my job in English.
Nice.
Okay, friends, we'll take a short break, but stay tuned. Next, we'll talk about funny or real stories from work. The best part.
Oh, I have a good story for that.
Can't wait to hear it. And before we go, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Tell us your dream job.
Yes, and thank you for spending time with us today. You're doing great.
You really are. Okay, we'll come back with funny work stories. Thank for today.